Standard 10 Language Study. Question 1 Language Study. Marks. Part 5 of 5. Language Study. Question 1 A. Do as directed. 8 marks. Question 1 B. Do as directed. 2 marks. Question 1 A. Do as directed. 8 marks. First, complete the words by using correct letters. 2 marks. Answer: earth, slowly, problem, better. Second, put the following words in an alphabetical order. 2 marks. Answer: first, near, nice, rare, rare. Second, take, test, tomato, tongue. Third, punctuate the following sentences. 2 marks. Answer: first, mother, give me a little sugar, she said. Second, where did you find it? Fourth, make 4 words, minimum of 3 letters each, using the letters in the given word. 2 marks. Representative. Answer: represent, present, rest, native. Fifth, write the related words as shown in the example. 2 marks. Speak clearly. Answer: speak clearly, bravely, politely, truly, softly. Sixth, complete the word chains of adjective. Add 4 words, each beginning with the last letter of the previous word. 2 marks. Answer: brave, eager, result, tight, train. Question 1 B. Do as directed. 2 marks. First, 1 mark. A. Make a meaningful sentence of your own using the given phrase. Sun and shore. Answer: we must understand that life is full of sun and shore. B. Add a clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully. He was too happy to speak. Answer: he was so happy that he could not speak. Second, 1 mark. A. Add a prefix or suffix to the following words to make new words. Equal, prepare. Answer: equal, equality, prepare, preparation. B. Make a meaningful sentence. Answer: your preparation for the examination is good.